Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your devices are linked. This is why Apple ID sync matters. On your iPhone, make sure Find My is enabled and Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi are active because the watch reports location through the phone and networks. Once done, open the Find My app and tap Devices. This is the first actionable step. You don't need to reboot. Just give the app a moment to refresh so your watch's last known location appears. You select your Apple Watch and Find My to see where it last checked in, which helps you decide the next move. If it's nearby, tap Play Sound and listen for the ping. This works even if Do Not Disturb is on. If it's farther away, choose Directions to navigate there, which opens Maps with the route. If you can't retrieve it immediately, enable Lost Mode to lock the watch and show a recovery message. This prevents unauthorized access while you head to it. To finish, decide whether to mark the watch as lost or erase it. Erase only if recovery is impossible because that removes tracking. Make sure you remember your Apple ID credentials if you choose either option. If the watch shows offline, check the last seen time and try nearby search when you're close. If things go wrong, reboot your iPhone, confirm iCloud and Find My are signed in, then wait about 5 minutes and retry. This clears temporary network or sync issues and often restores visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.